today, for once, Matthew's done a buy. So, we bought something from China. So, with China, I'm always a bit like, you know,
very...
Is it what it says it's going to be? It's supposed to be
a spoiler extension type thing. Yeah, but is it though?
It says it was carbon fibre, and it said the weave count and everything.
Or whatever you call it, yeah.
But obviously we don't know if it's going to be
I doubt it
real.
Is, but...
Well, I'm really hoping it is, because in our last video all we said was we hate carbon fibre.
The thing is, I still hate carbon fibre if it's not real, but I couldn't get it in any other colour.
No, it wasn't available. The only thing I will say is that if the lighting's going a bit funny, it's the sun. I can't control the sun, I'm afraid. So, we're going to be unboxing this spoiler. Matt has picked it up this morning, and we'll put the link below if you do want to buy it, obviously if you have a Scirocco. But you will get custom fees, as Matthew knows.
Yeah,
he's not very happy with the custom fees. But let's get opening. I'll get the knife, you get the box.
Oh, get it in
so it's come in like a really, really big box. I don't think you'll even be able to see how big the box is. I think you should put it down this way. Basically the box is like the width of my arms.
Well, a bit more than that.
Right, I would open it there.
Yeah.
I hate doing an unboxing when I'm not unboxing things. Dun dun dun! Should we lay it back?
Oh, I don't know. We ain't really got enough room here, is it?
I can see it. It's got tape.
Yeah, it's just, I probably won't use that, or I'll use that as well as something else.
Right, if you take it out, I'll move the box. Right, wait a second. Box gone.
Oh, you just opened it.
Adhesive promoter, is that?
Well, it's just 3M tape.
No, but it's got like a white.
Oh yeah, that's just the like.
So we've got 3M tape.
Seconds later.
It is lightweight, again I have no idea if it would be real or not, but that's basically it.
I literally don't know.
I wouldn't be able to tell. The only thing you'd be able to tell is if you took someone who's got like, you know that Scirocco whose like front end is completely made of carbon. He'd probably be the only one who'd actually know.
But the weave does look very good.
Yeah, it does look very 3D-like, doesn't it?
Yeah. Should we show them the corner, the end bits? So obviously that's going to be what it's...
Yeah, but obviously that's the like, I don't know if you guys see, the kick-up bit, if you see what I mean. It's like raised.
Yeah.
Whereas the other ones are just flat. So that sits on the...
Let me see how heavy it is. I suppose it's got a bit of weight to it, but obviously it's not...
It feels heavier now we've...
there.
No, but there never is on the bottom.
No.
But yeah, so it won't, to be fair, it won't stick out that much. It's only going to stick out that much further, so like, that much further.
Yeah.
But it's just more so I wanted it to make it square, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, I think it's going to look pretty big.
I think I'm going to like it, yeah.
He has been moaning all week about the custom fees, isn't it?
But people do say with the tape, to put tape and then bond as well.
Yeah, which I've got Gorilla Glue silicone. So you can always use a bit of that, because obviously Matt you didn't even do the shot.
I know, but it's too close.
Obviously in the last video, a couple of videos ago, Matt obviously wrapped his spoiler in black to prepare for this because we knew that if we did need to bond it on, we didn't want to bond it onto the car because me and Matt being a bit clever, yeah, we were trying to be a bit more clever now, and we appreciate that not everybody likes our taste and not everybody wants to buy a modified car. So any changes that we're doing, we kind of want to make sure.
Well, like the hassle, like, well, not necessarily hassle, but the time I spent with the course when I sold it.
Yeah.
Like, obviously I didn't unlower it, but everything else, you just spent the whole day just
peeling off
everything
stickers
else,
and pulling off bits.
And like the D badge, for example, like they wanted a new badge on there, but I was like, I'm not putting another badge on, so they ended up doing that. But
yeah,
it's just if you permanently change something, then you can't go back sort of thing. Like if you painted something instead of wrap, for example.
Exactly. So next video you guys will see is us putting this spoiler on.
Hopefully it fits.
Fingers crossed.
I'm nervous.
Over and out.